as one community, may we remain faithful, full of faith. And even in this time of pandemic, may God unveil so much blessings before us that we must acknowledge and appreciate. Ating grasya, agyang king disgrasya. Lalo na nung maging mabing kasalpantayanan, lubos tamong mipanwanan, at nung maging mabing kasalpantayanan, sukat tamong maging tapat. Gawan tamong dapat, at ning mamye, idiyatamo itang migit paking sapat. Pakikuhanan tamong manatiling tapat. Ban panahon man ning pandemya, akit tamong grasya, ipakayap tat mi panwanan, ating sabla, maging masampat. Paganakanan iting kapag masusyan at panagkat kaya katamo, lubos tamong salpantaya, ting panahon ning pandemya.